I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace mirror on Dodge Ram 2500. Park the truck, disconnect the battery, and remove the interior trim to access the mirror bolts. Inspect wiring and note connector orientation before unplugging to avoid mistakes. Support the mirror assembly while loosening fasteners, then remove mount hardware and lift the mirror away. Compare the old unit to the new one, swap any brackets, and prepare. Start by lowering the window for easier access and prying the trim panel off carefully. Locate the 3 mirror bolts and the electrical connector, then support the mirror assembly with one hand while you remove the bolts. After bolts are out, tilt the mirror slightly and pull it away from the door, feeding the connector through the opening. Inspect the wiring for corrosion and make sure the new mirror matches mounting points and harness orientation. Position the replacement mirror so the wiring passes cleanly through the door opening and the studs align with the holes. Hand thread each mounting nut or bolt to keep the mirror centered and prevent cross-threading, then tighten evenly in a star pattern to the correct torque. Reconnect the electrical plug, restore battery power, and test mirror movement, heating, and turn signal features. Reinstall trim, verify fit and finish, and confirm operation before finishing up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.